Replacing the printhead on a ZT230 series printer. Turn off the printer and disconnect the power cord and data cables. Connect yourself to an anti-static device. Place the printer on a grounded anti-static mat. Lift the media door. Slide the printhead latch forward until the large hole is aligned with the printhead locking posts. Rotate the gold printhead lever up to open the printhead. Pull the printhead out of the print mechanism. Disconnect the printhead cable. Remove the printhead. Connect the new printhead to the printhead cable. Slide the printhead cable into the printhead cable cover. Insert the locking posts into the latch holes. Slide the printhead latch toward the rear of the printer. Clean the new printhead. Close the printhead. Reconnect the power cord and data cables. Turn on the printer.